Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to set up your Buy Me a Coffee and receive donations online. So let us just navigate to the website and let us sign up for our accounts. Press on sign up, and now you can just choose your username and then press on sign up. Now you can continue with Google. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm signing up. And now, as you can see, we are prompted to complete our page. Set up your name. Set up your name here. You can upload a profile photo, and of course you can fill in the about. So pretty much what's your cause, what are you gathering money from, who you are, maybe some kind of business that you're doing. So make sure to fill this in. If you have a website that you host yourself or use, you can paste the link right over here. Alright, so fill all this in, press next. Alright, now you can choose your country, or you can just skip this step if you wish. As you can see, they will ask for our bank info. So you will need your bank to, of course, receive donations. I'll just do this later. And now, as you can see, you have your page. In here, you just can create some posts and press on create in here, create post, and maybe explain what you need the money for, what you're asking the funds for. Press on post, create a title, write something, and publish now. Okay, and now our post is live, and of course make sure to share your profile on as many places as possible so that more people know that it exists and more people have a chance to donate. And this is pretty much your profile. Also, if you want to edit your page, you can. As you can see, we have different things. What are you creating? About you, featured video, social links, etc. Also, you can add a cover image here, like that. That's way better. And now it's up to you guys next. What do you want to do next? How you want to customize? But in general, yeah, just go ahead and share your profile with this link and receive donations. Enjoy, friends. If you like these videos, make sure to like and subscribe.